Take screenshot in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can take a screenshot in your laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to take a screenshot on your laptop, it's actually very simple to do so. Now whether you're using whichever brand laptop, as long as you're using Windows 11, which is the latest version of Windows, the process to take a screenshot is pretty much the same. For this, all you have to do is on your laptop computer or your keyboard, all you have to do is select Shift plus Windows plus S button. So select Shift, Windows and S instantly, and as you do that you should be able to see the snipping tool option. Now if you want to take a screenshot for a particular area, you can go ahead and take a screenshot only for this area here like this and release your fingers and the screenshot will be taken. But let's say you want to actually take the screenshot for the full page, again repeat the same step. In that case, Shift, Windows, S, and then over here you'll find this full screen mode option here, which is this fourth option. Select that, and then when you do that, it will successfully take the full screenshot as well. So to view the screenshots, where do you find them? You can just go to File Explorer and then just go to Pictures and then go to Screenshots. So here is the screenshot that we took for that specific part, which is the snipping tool, and the other is the full page screenshot which we took over here, as you can see it. So this way you'll be able to basically take screenshot in laptop. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.